Bengay cream is used to treat minor aches and pains of the muscles joints such as arthritis, backache, sprains. Menthol and methyl salicylates are known as counterirritants. They work by causing the skin to feel cool and then warm. These feelings of the skin distract you from feeling the aches, pains deep in your muscles, joints and tendons. How to use? Use exactly as directed on the label or as prescribed by a doctor. The cream or gel forms of this medicine are usually applied to the affected area 3 or 4 times per day. The skin patch may be worn for up to 8 hours. Don't take by mouth. Topical medicine is for use only on the skin. Don't use on open wounds or on sunburned, windburned, dry or irritated skin. Rinse with water if this medicine gets in your eyes or mouth. Read and carefully follow any instructions for use provided with your medicine. Ask a doctor or pharmacist if you do not understand these instructions. Wash your hands before and after applying this medicine. Apply Bengay Ultra Skin Patch to clean dry skin. Press the patch firmly into place and wear it for up to 8 hours. Do not cover treated skin with a tight bandage or hidden pad. Camphor and menthol can cause a burning or cold sensation, which is usually mild and should lessen over time with continued use. If this sensation causes significant discomfort, wash the skin with soap and water. Contraindications. You should not use Bengay Ultra Strength if you are allergic to salicylate such as aspirin. Ask a doctor or pharmacist if this medicine is safe to use if you have redness of the areas where you have minor pain. Ask a doctor before using this medicine on a child younger than 12 years old. Ask a doctor before using this medicine if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. If you apply this medicine to your chest, avoid areas that may come into contact with the baby's mouth. Precautions. Stop using this medicine and call a doctor if your symptoms do not improve after 7 days. Your symptoms clear up and then return. You have minor pain with redness over the area, or your condition gets worse. Avoid using other topical pain relief medications unless your doctor tells you to. Bengay side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reaction, hives, difficult breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Stop using this medicine and call a doctor at once if you have severe burning, stinging, irritation, pain, swelling, rash, or blistering where the medicine was applied. Less serious side effects may be more likely, and you may have none at all.